Today we'll talk about how can you enable purchase tickets notifications on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, clicking this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down. You click here on settings, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on push notifications. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to purchase tickets. Click in this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us. That's my purchase tickets. Enable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.